Taoiseach, the ambulance service is absolutely essential. Paramedics are the first on the scene and they do incredible work, and I want to make it clear I've seen that in my own personal experience. But this week we've seen further reports of a misogynistic and toxic culture in the National Ambulance Service. I've spoken to Kathy, it's not her real name, and she has reported a paramedic who drugged, sexually assaulted, coercively controlled and raped her on multiple occasions. He apparently stole controlled drugs, midozolam, a sedative, a strong sedative, and penthrox, a powerful painkiller, and he used them against her. Despite the NAS being fully aware for over a year of a rape investigation by the National Ambulance Service have been aware for over a year of a rape investigation into this man. He's recently been promoted into a senior position in the National Ambulance Service. Now, for years, this predator has sexually harassed without consequence at least 5 women, suffered misconduct from this man, including one he locked in a shed. 4 women contacted their line managers, but the complaints were not progressed. Now, Kathy could have been spared the horrific ordeal she's had over a period of time with this person had the complaints procedures, sexual harassment policies worked in the National Ambulance Service. And it seems a bit like the church. Offenders get moved from base to base after complaints. Paramedics are the first to the scene of emergencies. They can be on their own with very vulnerable people for a long time. A sexual predator with authority and access to drugs is a very dangerous mix. Will you investigate why the HSE has promoted this man and why the procedures are failing? NASRA, the National Ambulance Service Representative Association, has called for an independent inquiry into the service and into these issues. In a survey in the North East of NAS staff in May 2025, 56 out of 65 women responded. 1 in 2 had experienced sexual harassment, comments or unwanted touching by ambulance personnel. 1 made the comment, "If you need a hand with the breastfeeding, let me know." Others had unwanted physical contact. A woman, Hope, with 10 years' experience, was dry-humped by a male colleague. No woman should have to put up with this in their workplace, Taoiseach, but also this is a danger to the general public.
Thank you.
Why has this been allowed, and will you have an independent investigation into the ambulance service?